What is going on, you guys? We are out here with the Xtreme Offroad guys, and very excited for what's happening. My truck is actually in the process of getting lifted. You guys are probably have already seen that. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, and to go over this awesome beast right here, we got the man right here, the myth, the legend, Dominic.
It's a 2009 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. It's got a 12-inch Cognito lift on it, box shocks with remote reservoirs, 22x10 XF off-road wheels, 40-inch Toyo tires. It's with the full leaf springs. It has a JAMO exhaust, GDP tuner and EGR delete, S&B intake. It's a really cool truck, guys. Open it up. It's got the best top powder boards on it, Pioneer radio, Rockford Fosgate speakers all throughout it. Let's go under the hood of this one. We got some goodies under the hood here.
All right, let's check it out. If we can even take a peek, this thing is gotta be this tall to ride, right?
Yep. Got the S&D intake in it. The truck makes around 500 horsepower.
How many horsepower?
About 500.
500, wow.
A little over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque.
That's beastly right there.
And it'll take the 40s right off of it. Everything was smooth powder coated. Really cool truck, guys. Alright, you guys can come check us out at Xtreme Offroad. You want big Chevys done? We do Jeeps, anything and everything, guys. The sky's the limit. Platinum dualies. We have Dodges, I mean everything. Literally, we'll lower it, we'll lift it. I think we got a lowered Explorer right there. All of it, guys. Anything you guys need, come see us.
I'm Roy. The company's Florida Abatement Demolition. We do asbestos removal, lead paint removal, mold remediation, and interior demolition.
All right, so all the Tampa area?
The state of Florida.
State of Florida,
and,
all
Georgia,
right.
and Georgia. We've been doing it since 1988.
Bam, all right. You guys make sure if you have any of those needs, check these guys out. Guys, you know you are driving a tow truck when you've got a 4-foot ladder just in case.